Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about the redox reaction. Did you remember this? Reduction as well as oxidation takes place. That is what redox reaction. I told you already what is meant by redox or it is by oxidation. In daily life, the redox reactions all takes place, especially the rusting of iron. Did you remember rusting of iron? In this rusting of iron, the Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus ions, isn't it? So Fe2 plus becomes, that is what rusting of iron. Here rusting of iron, the oxidation takes place. Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus, isn't it? So the same thing will be takes place in hemoglobin also. Hemoglobin in our blood, it is present, and what happened, it is actually complex structure. This is actually structure of hemoglobin. Here in this hemoglobin also the oxidation takes place. We are inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. Did you remember this? So see here, this is the structure of hemoglobin. So this is actually complex structure, coordinated complex structure. So I will explain now. What happened here, also oxidation takes place because here this is coordinated complex. In this complex, the hemoglobin is a structural is a reason. Here also Fe2 plus is present, but rusting of iron, Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus, oxidation takes place. At the same time, what happened in the transport of oxygen in hemoglobin, it is Fe2 plus cannot be converted into Fe3 plus. What is the reason for that? So here the reason is the Fe2 plus present as a central metal ion. This have 4 subunits. The 4 subunits is what? This is nitrogen, nitrogen as well as nitrogen, nitrogen. These 4 are said to be a forberin complex. That is nitrogen forberin complex. This is also said to be a globin. This is Fe2 plus is said to be heme group. In this heme group, hemoglobin, this is non-protein compound. Heme is a non-protein compound and it is surrounded by the complex structure. It is what? Forberin complex. The 4 side, the 4 units, nitrogen forberin complex. Nitrogen forberin complex. As well as it is present in the center. As well as in this fifth position, imidazole ring is present. Imidazole ring is present. This is also one of the histidine residue. And the sixth position is oxygen is binding. The sixth position is oxygen is binding. Here the transformation of oxygen as well as CO2 will be takes place. The oxygen transformation, when you are inhaling, oxygen is binding in the sixth position of hemoglobin. When we are exhaling, the carbon dioxide is here. So what happened in this O2? O2 is present here. No, this is octahedral complex structure. The 4 portions are surrounded here. So what happened? The Fe2 plus is cannot be becomes Fe3 plus. It is very difficult to convert oxidation reaction. Even though in sometimes this Fe2 plus, it means the hemoglobin group. In this hemoglobin, a 3% alone will be converted. 3% alone will be converted. This conversion of hemoglobin, that means oxidized. How much percentage is oxidized? The 3% of hemoglobin is oxidized. That is said to be methemoglobin. It is said to be methemoglobin. In this methemoglobin portion, when the hemoglobin is attained methemoglobin, now the Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus. If it is not attained methemoglobin, the hemoglobin, the Fe2 plus cannot be oxidized into Fe3 plus like rusting of iron. In hemoglobin is because of complex structure. It is an octahedral structure. 4 sides nitrogen forberin complex is present, as well as the 5th portion is a histidine residue is present. That is what imidazole ring is present. The 6th portion is to bind oxygen molecule. Because of this complex structure, the Fe2 plus cannot be easily converted into Fe3 plus. The heme group cannot be converted into Fe3 plus because of such, and also it produces hydrophobic nature environment. Hydrophobic is what it is. Hydrophobic is, it is water hating compound. Hydro means water, and phobic is hating. So water hating compound, that is why it cannot easily converted, even though sometimes the Fe2 plus among Fe2 plus 3% will be converted into oxidized. This 3% of hemoglobin will be converted into oxidized, means what happened, the Fe2 plus becomes Fe3 plus. Such a portion is said to be methemoglobin. In this 3 portion also immediately will be reback into hemoglobin. The 3% of methemoglobin will be also converted into how it is takes place, because the methemoglobin will be added with the reduction reaction. It is undergoing reduces. It is undergoing reduction reaction by addition of the enzyme reductase. When the methemoglobin is undergoing reduction reaction, presence of the enzyme reductase, once again this will be converted into hemoglobin compound. So 3% of hemoglobin is known as methemoglobin. Now in this portion the Fe2 plus converted into Fe3 plus. Here oxidation takes place, right? And when it is again reversed, the reaction is reversed. What happened here? The Fe3 plus will be reversed. That means what? Reduction. Fe2 plus becomes Fe2 plus. This is known as reduction reaction. So redox is also taking place here. Reduction reaction. So the sixth portion is octahedral site to bind the oxygen, the transformation of carbon dioxide. Suppose in this O2 position, suppose Cn is replaced. What happened? The methemoglobin here reconverted into hemoglobin. But if it is Cn is present, the Cn is block the oxygen to bind here. So there is no oxygen transport takes place. So what happened without oxygen? Whether we can inhaling? No chance to inhaling. So if it is cyanide is present in that position, it can be restrict the oxygen position. So it blocks the oxygen binding. So the transport of oxygen is very difficult. So oxygen from the lungs to tissues is also stopped. So it leads to quick death of the person. This portion is known as cyanide poisoning. Is known as cyanide poisoning. This question may be asking what is meant by cyanide poisoning. Question may be asking cyanide poisoning. It means that what? So while oxygen binds reversibly to hemoglobin, but cyanide is binds here automatically, it is irreversibly to hemoglobin and blocks the oxygen binding here. As a result, the transport of oxygen from the lungs to tissues is stopped. So it leads to the quick death of a person. That person is said to be a cyanide poisoning. Understand, children? In this topic, redox reaction, how in this blood takes place. In the blood, the hemoglobin is present. Here the transport of oxygen takes place here. So this structure is iron forbearing structure. This structure fully a iron forbearing structure. So oxygen, there is Fe2 plus is present at the central metal ion. This is having 4 subunits. The 4 nitrogen forbearing complex. Fifth portion is imidazole ring, which is histidine residue, and sixth portion is O2 is present. This is the reason for transformation of oxygen as well as CO2 here is inhaling, exhaling. So Fe2 plus cannot be converted into Fe3 plus very easily. In sometimes the heme group, the Fe2 pluses will be converted into methemoglobin. It means the 3% alone converted into methemoglobin. Now oxidation takes place into Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus will be reversed once again into Fe2 plus reduction by the reason of reductase. But in this O2 portion, if it is cyanide is present, the cyanide blocks the oxygen to bind here. So automatically the transport of oxygen from the lungs to the tissues is stopped. Now that leads to the quick death of a person. This process we are saying cyanide poisoning. This is also one of the redox reaction here. So thank you, students. We will see in the next class.